Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Virgilio Tabotabo, applying forklift operator. I am a Filipino and I am 41 years old. I am a Christian, a resident of Barangay San Rafael, Calaca, Batangas. I am married and I have 3 children. My highest education is high school graduate. My present company is DMCC Construction Equipment Resources Incorporated. We're located at San Rafael Auxiliary Pier at Calaca, Batangas. The nature of business there is logistic, and my responsibilities and duties is to unload and load the delivery materials and to support the Semirara Mining Corporation together with the stopping the materials, and pick up also retrieval materials. And I've been operating there with the forklifts, wheel loader forklifts 380 with an 18 tons, which is made in Japan. I also operating there forklift CHL with 5 tons, which is made in China. I want to work in Europe because Europe is a Christian country, and also to save money for my family. I am quite confident that I am an excellent candidate for your heavy equipment forklift operator. Thank you and God bless.